Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Terraform here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install shaders in Minecraft Windows Standard Edition. Now there are two different types of shader downloads, .mcpack and .zip file, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to download both of these different types of shaders. So firstly, what you're going to have to do is obviously download the shader from Google Chrome or whichever website, it doesn't really matter. And once you download it, it's basically going to be stored in your downloads folder, alright? So just go ahead and open that up and I'll catch you guys over there. And firstly, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it for .mcpack. So as you guys can see, so this is mcpack and it's going to be in your downloads folder by default unless you have changed the place or anything, changed the location of the file or anything like that. So once you download your shader, it's going to be in the downloads folder. And what you're going to do is basically double click on it. This is for mcpack. Later on, we'll get to zip. And once you double click, as you guys can see, so import started. And now it says successfully imported shaderless shader. And what you're going to do now is head into settings, head into global resources, and then what you're going to do is click my packs and activate this pack. Now exit out of this and it's going to load resource pack, and as you guys can see, so now we currently have the shaders installed. And now for the .zip pack, again you have to go ahead and open up your downloads folder. And so .zip file is a bit more complicated, so listen carefully, and you do not need WinRAR whatsoever, so just keep that in mind. You can use the normal Windows 10 zipper, that's totally fine. You do not need to download WinRAR or anything like that. But anyway, so this is the shader that I've installed, and as you guys can see, so it is a .zip file, zip archive. And what you need to do, so now listen to this instruction. Go ahead and click on Windows plus R and then just copy paste this from the description. It's really big, so I can't just show you like that. And once you copy paste this from the description, just go ahead and click on enter and it's going to take you over here. And basically over here, what you need to do is go ahead and click on local state. All right, do not click on anything else. Double click on local state, go ahead and click on games, com.mojang, and then over here, what you need to do is go ahead and click on resource underscore packs. Double click on resource underscore packs. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and drag your .zip file and place it over here. Drag your .zip file shader, and just place it over here. And now what you can do is go ahead and open up Minecraft, and I'll catch you guys over there. And now once you guys have opened up Minecraft, all you have to do is head into your settings and then head into global resources and under my packs again. As you guys can see, so we have classic shader right over here. So this is the one I had downloaded before. This is the .mcpack, do not get confused. And this is the classic shader over here, as you guys can see. And now what you're going to do is just go ahead and click on activate, and boom, that's it. Now shaders have been installed. And yeah guys, so this is basically how you install shaders in Minecraft Windows 10 Edition for both the .zip as well as .mcpack file. And if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.